Commuter trains gliding between stations. Subways running under city streets. Freight trains chugging across the heartland. Every kind of train needs a steady, experienced hand at the throttle and on the brakes. Locomotive engineers are railroaders who have reached a cherished goal. Usually, they have been chosen by the rail company from the ranks of experienced operations employees. After long hours of training in the yard, in classrooms, and on simulators, a newly licensed engineer becomes an assistant engineer, moving on to handling trains in the rail yard, and from there to longer runs. The engineer is responsible for every aspect of the train underway, from the condition of the engine to the signals up ahead. But the engineer's essential partner is the conductor.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. All tickets, please.
To the public, railroad conductors are the people who help them onto the train, take their tickets, and stand by the open door when the train is in the station.
Amtrak conductor to the flag on 21.
But a conductor has a lot more on his or her mind and is trained by the railroad to be responsible for many aspects of every trip. When a train is ready to leave the station, it's up to the conductor to make sure people are safely aboard and the doors are clear before signaling to the engineer to proceed. The conductor also coordinates the activities of the train crew. While the train is underway, the conductor receives information about track conditions and train traffic and relays that information to the engineer.
2151, you get that transmission over?
Conductors on freight trains handle the waybills and coordinate information about schedules, shipping, and unloading. Especially when they're low in seniority, engineers and conductors often work nights, weekends, and holidays. It's a job that looks exciting from afar. Up close, it's a lot of hard work, but the job attracts applicants who love working on the railroad. While a degree from a career school or college is a good start, most railroad companies train employees themselves. So it's a good idea to contact the company directly to find out how you can get on track for a job on the rails.